Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone battery drain over out. One of the main issues that many people face with their iPhones is that the battery does not come with a lifespan that is an ideal as they would like it to be. Imagine experiencing such a significant overnight battery drain. It can be extremely discouraging. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. So the first step is reduce the brightness. For this you just need to swipe down from the top right side and then adjust the brightness level at low. And you are done. And the next step is closed background application. For this you just need to swipe up from the bottom left side and then swipe up the background running application and you are done. And the next step is open low power mode. You can use this feature to extend the amount of time your battery lasts. For this go to settings, scroll down and go to battery. And then tap on the low power mode's toggle button to turn it on and you are done. And the next step is switch off Wi-Fi portable information and Wi-Fi association channels your cell phone battery quicker than you naturally suspect. Also to save your iPhone's battery, turn off your mobile data and Wi-Fi when you are not using the internet. For this go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is when not in use, disables apps that tracking your location. When your iPhone's GPS and location services are active, it quickly uses up your battery. A few applications on your iPhone can utilize the element like WhatsApp, Skype, Facebook and so forth. When you grant these applications to utilize the area administration, they will do so ceaselessly, which depletes your battery. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. And then tap on location services and tap on location services toggle button to turn it off and then tap on turn off to confirm again and you are done. And the next step is set screen to quick sleep. For this go to settings, scroll down and then tap on display and brightness, scroll down and then tap on auto lock feature and then select it to 30 seconds or 1 minute. And you are done. And the next step is turn off some app notifications. For this go to settings, scroll down to the bottom and select the app of which you don't want to receive notifications and then tap on notifications and then tap on allow notifications toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is leave the extreme environment. Extreme environment condition can cause iPhone battery drain overnight. For that purpose, leave the extreme environment. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of battery drain overnight. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.